In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in PowerPoint. This process ensures that your presentation retains its intended visual appeal, no matter what device it's viewed on. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch the program. Once it's up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you want to work with. Having your presentation open ensures that any changes you make will be saved directly to that file. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File tab. Give that a click. This will open up a menu of options related to your presentation settings and properties. The next step is to look for the Options button in this menu. Clicking on Options will bring up the PowerPoint Options dialog box where various settings for your presentation can be adjusted. Now find the Save tab in the sidebar of this dialog box. Clicking on Save will show you several options associated with saving your presentation files. You'll need to scroll down slightly to find what we're looking for. As you scroll, keep an eye out for a section that pertains to embedding fonts. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Embed Fonts in the file. Check this box to activate font embedding. This crucial step ensures that the fonts used in your presentation are included within the file, preserving your design and layout. Without embedding fonts, your carefully chosen typography might not display correctly when opened on another system. Once you have checked Embed Fonts in the file, you'll see two additional choices. Choose Embed All Characters to ensure that every character used in your presentation is included. This option is important because it maintains the full range of your chosen fonts, meaning your document can be edited without any font-related limitations on different computers. With everything set, you just have one more step. Simply click on the OK button to confirm your choices and close the dialog box. By doing this, you've successfully embedded the fonts in your PowerPoint presentation. This will secure your design integrity, ensuring that your presentation appears exactly as you intend, whether you're presenting it on your own device or sharing it with others. And that's it. You've embedded your fonts and ensured your presentation will look great wherever it's viewed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining the professional look of your PowerPoint presentations.